What's the meaning of burble? Burble. Burble.
Burble. Burble. The word burble refers to a gurgling or bubbling sound, often made by water or air. It can also mean to speak in a light-hearted, rambling manner. The result of burbling water can be soothing and relaxing, such as the sound of a babbling brook or a fountain. Burbling air can create a playful and cheerful atmosphere, like the sound of a child blowing bubbles or a helium balloon escaping. However, when used to describe someone's speech, it may suggest a lack of coherence or focus, potentially coming across as annoying or insincere.